Amazing 6 foods that are good for your liver. The liver is a powerhouse of an organ. It performs a variety of essential tasks, ranging from producing proteins, cholesterol, and bile to storing vitamins, minerals, and even carbohydrates. It also breaks down toxins like alcohol, medications, and natural byproducts of metabolism. Keeping your liver in good shape is important for maintaining health. This video lists the 6 best foods to eat to keep your liver healthy. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Coffee. Coffee is one of the best beverages you can drink to promote liver health. Studies have shown that drinking coffee protects the liver from disease, even among those who already have problems with this organ. For example, studies have repeatedly shown that drinking coffee helps lower the risk of cirrhosis, or permanent liver damage, in people with chronic liver disease. Drinking coffee may also help reduce the risk of developing a common type of liver cancer, and it has positive effects on liver disease and inflammation. It's even associated with a lower risk of death in people with chronic liver disease, with the greatest benefits seen in those who drink at least 3 cups per day. These benefits seem to stem from its ability to prevent the buildup of fat and collagen, 2 of the main markers of liver disease. Coffee also decreases inflammation and increases levels of the antioxidant glutathione. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, which are produced naturally in the body and can damage cells. While coffee has many health benefits, your liver, in particular, will thank you for that morning pick-me-up. 2. Tea. Tea is widely considered to be beneficial for health, but evidence has shown that it may have particular benefits for the liver. One Japanese study found that drinking 10 cups of green tea per day was associated with improved blood markers of liver health. A smaller study including people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, found that drinking green tea high in antioxidants for 12 weeks improved liver enzyme levels and may also help reduce oxidative stress and fat deposits in the liver. Furthermore, another review found that people who drank green tea were less likely to develop liver cancer. The lowest risk was seen in people who drank 4 or more cups per day. A number of mouse and rat studies have also demonstrated the beneficial effects of black and green tea extracts. For example, one study in mice found that black tea extract reversed many of the negative effects of a high-fat diet on the liver, as well as improved blood markers of liver health. Nevertheless, some people, especially those who have liver problems, should exercise caution before consuming green tea as a supplement. That's because there have been several reports of liver damage resulting from the use of supplements containing green tea extract. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The 2 main antioxidants found in grapefruit are naringenin and naringin. Several animal studies have found that both help protect the liver from injury. The protective effects of grapefruit are known to occur in 2 ways, by reducing inflammation and protecting cells. Studies have also shown that these antioxidants can help reduce the development of hepatic fibrosis, a harmful condition in which excessive connective tissue builds up in the liver. This typically results from chronic inflammation. Moreover, in mice that were fed a high-fat diet, naringenin decreased the amount of fat in the liver and increased the number of enzymes necessary to burn fat, which can help prevent excess fat from accumulating. Lastly, in rats, naringin has been shown to help improve the ability to metabolize alcohol and counteract some of alcohol's negative effects. Thus far, the effects of grapefruit or grapefruit juice itself, rather than its components, have not been studied. Additionally, almost all studies looking at the antioxidants in grapefruit have been conducted in animals. Nevertheless, the current evidence points to grapefruit being a good way to keep your liver healthy by helping prevent damage and inflammation. 4. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries both contain anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that give berries their distinctive colors. They've also been linked to many health benefits. Several animal studies have demonstrated that whole cranberries and blueberries, as well as their extracts or juices, can help keep the liver healthy. Consuming these fruits for 21 days protected the liver from damage. Additionally, blueberries helped increase immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes. Another study found that the types of antioxidants found commonly in blueberries slowed the development of lesions and fibrosis, which is the development of scar tissue, in the livers of rats. What's more, the blueberry extract has been shown to inhibit the growth of human liver cancer cells in test tube studies. However, more studies are needed to determine whether this effect can be replicated in humans. Making these berries a regular part of your diet is a good way to help make sure your liver is supplied with the antioxidants it needs to stay healthy. 5. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple grapes, contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds. The most famous one is resveratrol, which has a number of health benefits. Many animal studies have shown that grapes and grape juice can benefit the liver. Studies have found that they can have various benefits, including lowering inflammation, preventing damage, and increasing antioxidant levels. A small study in humans with NAFLD showed that supplementing with grapeseed extract for 3 months helped improve liver function. However, since grapeseed extract is a concentrated form, you might not experience the same effects from consuming whole grapes. More studies are needed before taking grapeseed extract to promote liver health can be recommended. Nonetheless, the wide range of evidence from animal and some human studies suggests that grapes are a very liver-friendly food. 6. Nuts. Nuts are high in fats, nutrients like the antioxidant vitamin E, and beneficial plant compounds. This composition is responsible for several health benefits, especially for heart health, but also potentially for the liver. A 2019 study found a diet higher in nuts to be associated with a decreased risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What's more, a second observational study found that men who ate larger amounts of nuts and seeds had a lower risk of developing NAFLD than men who ate smaller amounts of nuts and seeds. While more high-quality studies are needed, preliminary data points to nuts being an important food group for liver health. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.